Hi, my name's Hugh from the Mini Specialist. Today I'm taking you around this 2011 VW Polo 1.2S. It's got the aircon model, done 63,000 miles, full history, just serviced by ourselves, fresh MOT. Let me take you around. But I mentioned I'm a Mini Specialist, and yes, we do usually sell Minis. But today we do have this very nice Polo. We do sometimes sell other cars, and this being one of them. So let me take you around. Bodywork is in pretty good condition. It's not flawless. There are minor marks here and there, but it is, I guess, an 11-year-old car. And for its age, it's not bad at all. There's a tiny little mark down here, a couple of stone chips here and there. Wheel in good order. Coming down the side, there's nothing major to speak of. I think there's some tiny marks here and there down the side. No car parking bruises I can speak of. Well, maybe there is one there. Yeah. Let's have a look down at this side. This wheel in good condition. Tread good. The bumper is in good order. Right in the back. What's this here? No, just a bit of dirt. And coming down this side, we've got a good tyre. No major bops and bruises down this side, I don't think. What's that? Stone chip, I think, there, and one there. Then coming around to the front again, good tyre, and right around. So that's the once over. Let's have a look inside. There is only one key on the car, and that's it. And it's not a remote key, just a regular key. So we have, we can lock the doors there, front electric windows. We've just given it a good clean, and like I said, oil change, and I've regassed the air conditioning. Let me get in. Right, so let's start her up and see what it sounds like. And get the key in. There we go. So, on the button, as you'd hoped before, let's get the side lights on to give some backlighting. There we go. 63,012 miles as of today. Car sounds perfectly fine. Got a standard radio. I don't think there's anything special or Gucci particularly about the radio. It's a CD radio and that's it. It does have air conditioning, and because I've just regassed it, that is ice cold. 5-speed gearbox. Interior, there's no rips or tears. It's all pretty tidy in here. That's it really. There's not a lot else to say. So there you are. So in summary, it's a 2011 Volkswagen Polo 1.2S. I believe everything works. The only thing that I've discovered doesn't work is the rear the rear wiper. So rear wiper should work when I do that, and nothing happens. When I press further, we do get the water coming out, but the wiper itself doesn't wipe. Everything else works as it should. The MOT has come back without any problems, so the only fault that I'm aware of is the rear wiper. There you go. In summary, we have a 2011 Volkswagen Polo 1.2S. It's the 3-cylinder 1200cc 60 horsepower car. The S means it's got air conditioning, and it's a fairly standard car outside of that. It does come with a 3-month return to base warranty. You can extend the warranty to an RAC 12-month, 24-month or 36-month at extra cost. The car comes with a brand new MOT, I don't believe there's any advisories on it, and it's just been serviced. So thank you for watching.